Measuring Penny by Lorraine Leedy. My name is Lisa, and my teacher says our next big homework project is to measure something. Mr. Jason says we can measure anything, like a sofa, a television set, or a doll. Measuring homework, due next Tuesday. Choose something to measure, then measure it in as many ways as you can. Height, width, length, weight, volume, temperature, and time. Record your results. Then include at least one comparison. Is it taller than or heavier than? Remember, a measurement always has two parts, a number and a unit. I am 6 feet tall. Which units can you use? Here are some examples. Standard units, inches, feet, yards, centimeters, meters, teaspoons, cups, gallons, pounds, and minutes. Non-standard units, paper clips, bricks, frogs, marbles, pencils, or toes. Use your imagination. When I get home today, my dog Penny jumped all over me as usual. Wow, I could measure Penny for my homework. She is a Boston Terrier and is bigger than a pug and smaller than a Cocker Spaniel. She is about the size of a Shetland sheepdog. Penny, please stop drooling. Come on, Penny, I'll get a ruler and we'll run over to the park. Look at all the dogs out here today. Hey, get down! I can't believe how many dogs live around here. Fine, I'll measure some of you too. We're supposed to use a standard unit, so let me use inches to see how long your noses are. Stop licking my face. 4 inches, Shetland sheepdog. 1 inch, Penny. 1/2 inch, pug. I'll measure your tails with a non-standard unit. Dog biscuits. Will you please hold still? Penny has the shortest tail. 1 dog biscuit, Penny. 4 dog biscuits, Fox Terrier. 6 dog biscuits, mixed breed. 10 dog biscuits, Greyhound. Penny's measurements. Nose. Length equals 1 inch. Unit, inch. Tail. Length equals 1 dog biscuit. Unit, dog biscuit. I'll measure your ears with a non-standard unit. Cotton swabs. Don't wiggle so much. 1/2 swab, pug. 1 swab, Penny. 3 swabs, Basset Hound. Let's see how wide your paw prints are. I'll turn over my ruler and measure with another standard unit. Centimeters. 5 centimeters, mixed breed. 2.5 centimeters, Dachshund. 3 centimeters, Penny. 4 centimeters, Cocker Spaniel. Penny's ear. Length equals 1 swab. Unit, cotton swab. Penny's paw prints. Width equals 3 centimeters. Unit, centimeters. I want to see how tall you all are. Everybody sit. 12 inches, 1 foot, Dachshund. 24 inches, 2 feet, Cocker Spaniel. 36 inches, 3 feet, Greyhound. 48 inches, 4 feet, mixed breed. 18 inches, 1.5 feet, Penny. Penny's height, 18 inches, unit, inch. 12 inches equals 1 foot. Penny is 1.5 feet tall. 3 feet equals 1 yard. Penny is a half yard tall. Let's see how high you can jump. Penny can jump up to my waist. I could use myself to measure with. Penny's jump as high as my waist. Unit, feet. There is no scale here in the park, so I can't weigh anything. Wait! I could use the seesaw to see how heavy Penny is compared with the other dogs. The seesaw is down on Penny's end, so she is heavier than the pug. Now Penny's end is up because she is lighter than the Cocker Spaniel. The seesaw is balanced, so she weighs about the same as the Shetland sheepdog. Weight comparison. Penny is heavier than the pug, lighter than the Cocker Spaniel, same as the Shetland sheepdog. You look thirsty, Penny. We'd better get home and get you a drink. See you later, everybody. Let's stop in the bathroom so I can weigh you. Get on the scale. You're exactly 16 pounds. Now let's go to the kitchen for your drink. Penny's weight, 16 pounds, unit, pounds. Mr. Jason says volume is the amount of space something fills, like water in a cup. So what volume of water do you want? A cup, a pint, a quart, or a gallon? Maybe a tablespoon or a teaspoon? You drank a cup of water already today, and I'll give you another cup now. I suppose you're hungry too. No, you cannot have the whole bag of dog food. I'll give you half a cup. Drinking water per day, 1 to 3 cups. Food per day, 1 cup dry, 1/2 cup canned. Unit, cup. Sometimes Dad and I make homemade dog biscuits. We measure the ingredients so they taste good, at least to you-know-who. I'm going to follow Penny around all day Saturday to measure how much time I spend taking care of her. Penny's time schedule. 6 a.m. Wake up. 6 to 7 Patrol house. 7 Bark to wake up everybody. 7:05 Take quick walk. 7:10 Eat breakfast. 7:20 Bake for scraps. 8 o'clock Howl when Mom goes out. 8:10 Take a nap. 8:45 Nibble dog biscuits. 12 noon Eat lunch. 12:15 Take a nap. 1 o'clock Gnaw bone. 1:15 Investigate weird noise in the basement. 2 o'clock Snooze for a while. 2:30 Bark and run in circles. 2:35 Go for a walk. 3:45 Turn newspaper in. 4 o'clock Watch cartoons. I'll make a poster for this part. Taking care of Penny. How much time does it take? Every day. Feeding her 10 minutes. Brushing her 15 seconds. She has short hair. Walking her 5 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes at night. Playing with her 1/2 hour to 1 hour. Weekly. Giving her a bath 15 minutes to 1 hour. Clipping her toenails 5 minutes. Units, hours, minutes, and seconds. I'll measure how quickly Penny can run to different places. She can get from her bed to the kitchen in 6 seconds. Penny's times. Her bed to her dish, 6 seconds. Across the backyard, 4 seconds. Around the block, 5 minutes. To the park, 7 minutes. To my bus stop, 15 seconds. Units, minutes, and seconds. Temperature is important to Penny. She doesn't like things that are too hot or too cold. Penny likes to go on longer walks when the weather is nice. In fact, you can almost tell the temperature outside just by looking at her. The last thing I'm going to measure Penny with is money. Mom looked through her checkbook to help me figure this out. We decided Penny is kind of expensive. Cost of having Penny. To buy a puppy, $275. Food for 1 year, $400. Vet for 1 year, $120. Toys, collar, etc., $75. Units, dollars and cents. But she's worth a lot too. Value of having Penny. As burglar alarm, $1,000. As exercise machine, $500. As entertainment, $20 per day. For love, $1 million. Units, dollars and cents. I'm sure Mr. Jason will give me a good grade on this measuring project. Maybe we should change your name to Million.